Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can improve stream quality over on Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. First of all, open up your Discord application and simply log in with your account. After that, once you're on the home page of Discord, locate account settings. It's a gear icon right next to your profile at the bottom left. Just click on this gear icon and you'll see various options here. You just have to scroll down till the end. Once you're at the end of the list, locate audio and video option in the left side menu. Open it up and you'll be able to tweak all of the settings related to audio and video of your server. After that, scroll down a bit until you see video related settings. Now just toggle off this one here. This option states about using your graphics hardware in order to stream smoothly, but it basically doesn't, as the GPU is already being fully used. So instead of making it smoothly, it delays the stream due to the overload, and this is a simple solution and I hope it fixes the problem. That's how you can improve your stream quality over on Discord. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.